Hello everyone, welcome to the School of Smart Thinking. Today's topic is top 3 yoga poses for beginners. Start practicing with these basic poses. We are releasing the part 1. Start your practice with these basic poses. As a new yoga student, you might feel overwhelmed by the number of poses and their odd sounding names. But yoga does not have to be complicated. If you go out of bed this morning and stretched your arms over your head, you already did a yoga pose. And remember that your yoga practice is a lifelong pursuit, giving you plenty of time to learn scores of postures. They are just options for you to choose from and can be learned at your desire and leisure without any pressure to perfect them. Keep reading for more on each pose. We are starting with the basic yoga pose. First one, downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Swasana. Adho Mukha Swasana, it is downward facing dog pose. Adho Mukha Swasana, commonly known as downward facing dog pose. It is a fundamental yoga posture that combines strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. In this pose, practitioners form a inverted V shape with their hands and their feet grounded and hips lifted towards the ceiling. The yoga pose engages various muscle groups, promoting a full body stretch. Next one we'll talk about the next pose, that is mountain pose, Tadasana. Mountain pose may not be as famous as downward facing dog, but it is equally important. This is an excellent time to talk about alignment, which is how your body parts are ideally arranged in each pose. The alignment in mountain pose draws a straight line from the crown of your head to your heels, with the shoulders and pelvis stacked along the line. Every person's body is different, so focus on rooting down with your feet and lengthening up with your spine. We'll talk about the next top poses of yoga. Virabhadrasana. This pose strengthens the arms, shoulders, thighs, and back muscles all in one go. This pose is named after Virabhadra, a fierce warrior, an incarnation of Lord Shiva. Veera, it means vigorous warrior, courageous. Bhadra, which is meaning of good, auspicious. Asana, meaning is posture. The asana is pronounced as Virabhadra asana. These are the benefits of yoga: improved sleep, weight reduction, increased flexibility, increased muscle strength, strengthened bones, protection from injury, perfects your posture, protects spine, it makes you feel happier, helps in focusing, it improves your digestion, helps you keep drag free, it increases your blood flow, balance metabolism, it gives you inner strength, and it gives this ignition of energy. Yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility. It also helps to deal with the back pain. It also eases the arthritis symptoms. Yoga benefits heart health. Yoga relaxes you to help you sleep better. Yoga can mean more energy and brighter moods. Yoga helps you manage stress. Yoga connects you with a supportive community. Yoga promotes better self care. According to the scientific research, we had done a lot of research on the scientific areas. According to the scientific research on yoga benefits, the US military and the National Institutes of Health and other larger organizations are listening to and incorporating scientific validation of yoga values in healthcare. Numerous studies show yoga benefits in arthritis, osteopenia, balance issues, oncology, women's health, chronic pain, and other specialties.